My name is Sangeeth Satish. I'm from University Hospital, Newark, New Jersey, and I work as a finance IT manager. And I'm both functional and technical. So that's my role at the hospital. We had a homegrown reporting tool, right? And our programmer used to maintain it, program it, develop the reports, right? And with Argos, it gives everyone at the hospital a chance to create a report, whoever wants to create a report and learn. And it has much more, what do I call, more capability to select the database of what we want versus, okay, you're given this report and that's all you can use to do your work. But whereas now you have a lot more databases and also whether it's ODS or production data, you have a choice. And for me, I can actually create reports for any department, whoever wants it. So that's the best thing about Argos. Argos customize it. Not only it's a reporting tool, but it's also I can actually update the banner tables the other way around as well. So that has the limits are endless. There's no restrictions. So we know only a little bit, but there's so much I can do with Argos, and with attending this conference, it gives me all the ideas that I can work with Argos. Cool. With Argos, I don't have to say no to any department. Whatever they want is what I can deliver, right? And then it's so cool that even if someone wants to say, hey, can you teach me how to create a report, or these are the data that we are looking for our departments, it's easy. It's easy that either I can train them, or if they already know, they can do their own report writing. And I work for a hospital, right? So there's a lot of units, and everybody's requirement is different, data requirement is different. Either I can tell them they can go ahead and run it, write it, or I can do it for them. Like I said, it's there's so much I can learn and work in Argos to help my organization do a better job. Yes, so I work for finance, but I do support payroll and HR as well. So when my CFO says, "Oh, Sangeeth, I need these reports," and when I deliver, he takes it to the board for the fiscal year-end decisions, fiscal period decisions, and also even HR needs. I can actually give them what they need to make their decisions, whether it's FTE requirement by the state, because ours is a state hospital. There's the guidelines is what we have to follow from the state. So that's a state guideline we need to follow. We have to have a limited number of FTEs in at our hospital. So whether it's the fringe benefits or FTE, or the benefits itself, benefit deductions, withholdings, and all that. So even that, we can actually do it with Argos, whether it's reports, generating reports and sending it over to the state, Trenton, or within the hospital employees. Generating reports or going either reporting or even updating banner through Argos is what we do at University Hospital. Yeah. So we created one dashboard for both finance and HR that works, right? We have a report that brings the employee information with their position information and the index that's associated with that position. The report, if I put in a position number, it brings out all the employees who held that position before, whether the position is active right now or inactive? Has it been cancelled or it's not been cancelled? And what's the budget for that position? And all the related values, like I said, the index, their home organization number, the employees who worked in that position, and when they were terminated from that position, not necessarily from the hospital itself as an employee, but just from that position. So that report is so valuable because the departments use that report to, when they hire a new employee, they know what the budget is. They know if the position is already cancelled or is active, and who the financial manager is. So it brings out a lot of data that where the department and HR and budget office, all the three of the departments use that report to make better decisions regarding a new hire or someone who's getting promoted to that position. In future, that's the reason why I come to eVision's conference, so that every idea I hear, I attend the sessions, whether they're higher education, because most of the organizations who are attending here, they are from higher education, and I work for the hospital. It may not be the same, however, the concept itself gives me an idea what I can do to use it at my workplace, right? For each department. Like, I think I have like 10 ideas that I can take back now and implement it in our hospital. So whether it's generating reports to directly go to the board for the financial decisions that we need for the fiscal year end, or for the audit reasons, is something that I would want to do now when I go back. I also want to do is, there are some scheduling, right? The scheduling of the month-end jobs that I can have it run and go to the users directly as a CSV file or an Excel file. In that way, they don't have to go into ePrint, download the file, convert it into text and all that. This is just delivered. So I think I want to do that. But every idea, I want to use it according to our hospital needs, which is a great thing. That's why I like to come to the eVision's conference.